Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Day Date 2, reference 218235, chocolate dial, Roman numerals, President band. I'm going to go through the bezel, the dial, the case, the bracelet, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. It's using an oyster case, 41 millimeters, from my thumb to my index finger. It's the largest President that Rolex makes. In fact, this watch, this Day Date 2, is discontinued. They have replaced it with reference number 228235, and that is 40 millimeters from my thumb to my index finger. This one is 41, so it's the largest one. So for those of you who like large ones, this watch would be it. Although it's not much different, it is slightly different, which I'm going to take you through in just a moment. Looking at the case, that's the first difference. Now this case is a monoblock middle case with a screw-down case back and winding crown. It's still made of 18 karat ever rose gold, also known as pink gold or rose gold. So that's the case. Now it has these hallmarks on the back. It's hard to see without a loop, but it's at those edges right there on the four lugs where my finger's pointing. Okay. Now let's talk about the dial. Now the dial is chocolate dial, also known as brown, and it's been replaced by another chocolate dial, but the Roman numerals, I don't know if you guys can see this at home, it's a very slight difference, are slightly different on this older version. You see how at the Roman numerals at the top of it, there's a line? It's like, you know how when 6 goes like this? You don't put the line. On this one, they have the top line. I don't know what to call that other than just to describe it to you. At the top of it has a line. Now the newer version, the 228, does not have that upper line. Now I don't know if that's better or worse, but that is what it is. So that's, and this one, it's still, they still have a chocolate dial. The Roman numerals are just slightly different on it. As far as I could tell, they still have the outside railroad tracks there, but yeah, that's the difference in the dial. Okay. Now let's talk about since we're talking about the dial, we might as well talk about the movement. The movement on this watch is a 3-1. Let me check my notes here. 3156. 3156. And it is a President movement. It has a day and a date function, as you can see from this right here. It's an older movement. It's been around for quite some time. It's been replaced by the 3255. But yeah, this is a tried and tested movement, 3156. Okay. Now let's move on to the bezel. Now the bezel is fluted. It's 18 karat ever rose gold. That means this part right here. The bezel does slightly look different. I've seen it on the 40 millimeter. It looks a little bit skinnier. This is a little bit fatter of a bezel. Probably rightfully so, since it's also larger. Okay. Now the bracelet is it's the same. It hasn't changed going forward into the newer model. It's this as a President bracelet. It's semicircular 3-piece links across. Semicircular means half a circle. It's 18 karat and it has a concealed folding crown clasp. Just like that. And those are the hallmarks that signify that this watch is gold. So I told you I'd give you my opinion, and I really like this dial. I really like this larger 41 millimeter. I like them so much that we actually have a second one. So if you want to buy this one or this one, we have both of them. But I don't think we'll have them very long because they're really cool. So, but yeah, these are really cool watches. They came in different configurations before. They don't have as many configurations now. Maybe they'll have some more in the future. But yeah, these are really cool watches. I like that the Roman numerals, I like that they're fatter. I just think, yeah, I just think they're really awesome. So anyways, if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, and if you like this watch, you can actually buy it. Simply click on the link in the description below. If we don't have this one, we'll have one that's very similar. Thank you.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.